Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Wealth channel. Uh, Today is 8th August. The market has closed. I'm doing this video from Europe. The time now is 4:15 p.m. In India, it will be 8:30 p.m. Um, so today, Nifty has closed by 232 points, and it has broken the strong support of 24,500. It has closed below 24,500. And quickly, we will recap what we predicted and about the sell target. So I clearly told, if you see, read here, if the price crossed down and sustained below 24,500, then I asked to enter the sell for the target 24,356, 24,300 and 24,380. So we made two of the targets, 24,380 and 24,356. 24,300 is not yet met. Probably we will see it on next week. Okay. So but clearly what is more important for to understand is I clearly mentioned to enter sell only below 24,500. So in our prediction, the entry point is very important. That is how it is different from all other channels. Okay, I'm going to give entry point condition to for each of the target. Okay, so quickly we move to Monday, August 11th prediction. Let me take down the predictions points, which I noted. Okay, for August 11th, we have the pivot at 24,429. 24,429 is the pivot. The upper side is 24,462 and lower side is 396. This is a pivot range for August 11th, Monday. Okay, so Nifty has broken down the support below 24,500, which makes Nifty into bearish zone. So clearly it is in bearish mode. In any case, it is in bearish mode. If you see here, okay, let me complete the sell targets. If the price cross and sustain below 24,333, currently today the price touched 24,339 and it reversed back and closed at 24,366. If you can clearly see, this point of support is not broken. Still there are buy side liquidity. This zone can act as support. So there can be a Fibonacci retracement above, which I have told below. I will come to that. Okay. But now currently it is slightly at the support. Tomorrow at opening of the market, it can be flat and it can be this on this range before moving down. Okay. So for this case, we need to enter the sell target only below 24,333. Below 24,333, enter sell target for target 24,312 and 24,290. Okay, I put it bracket 24,300. That means between 24,290 and 24,300, it can be a reversal. Okay, and if the price cross below 24,285, okay, for after the first target, you exit your position and then re-enter below 24,285, then you will get sell target 24,250 and extended to 24,150. These are the two targets. For the buy side, 24,340 is at the current support. So this is the current support. Okay, so there could be some retracement above, but this retracement is nothing. It anytime price can reverse back. Okay, till what point the retracement can be up to 24,470. Nifty can show reversal upside on Fibonacci retracement. So current price is 363. It can reverse up to 470 as well. Let me put a Fibonacci thing. You see the golden zone is almost coming at 24,470. Correct? And also you see we have the upper pivot as 24,462. So till the pivot, there can be reversal, but this is just a retracement. So at any point of time, the price can come below. So it will be very risky to enter into buy side. We never know at what point it can come below. So even if it reaches 24 470, you should wait. So we need to ignore buy side for Monday. Only if the price cross above 24,500, we we can think about anything from buy side. Otherwise, it will be very risky for to predict now at this point what will be the buy targets. Okay, so what I say, only about 24,500 we should think for any safe entry for buy option. Okay, guys, I already put all my trend lines and I checked, so there is nothing to hope about the buy side. If you see here 15 minutes, even 15 minutes, the higher side is 24,635. Even here, you see 24,481 was the high. Even though it is a lower high formed at 15 minutes, it is 24,481. So yeah, we cannot enter into buy side until price cross above 24,500. It is risky to be in buy side between this range. Okay, so avoid buy side for Monday. Look for potential sell side for these entry points and entry targets. Even if in case you are into buy side, you have to exit at the reversal at this pivot range. Okay, guys. So even if it is getting reversed, if in case you are already into any buy position, then your stop loss will be uh, 24, 24 340. Okay, otherwise if it is going up, in case the first reversal point will be 24 396. It is the lower pivot, it will be the first reversal point. The second reversal point is 24 429. Third reversal point will be 24 462, 470. So between this pivot range, it can reverse at any time, any place. So you have to be very cautious if you are already in buy position. Don't enter into any new buy position. Look for sell targets and sell entries and sell targets for Monday. Thank you. Let's go quickly to Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, it is again clear. I told yesterday was upside. So we more concentrated on buy side. I was giving buy targets, three targets, but sell target I gave very simple prediction. When the price crossed below 55,290, I gave two targets, 5500, 55,050. Both the targets is met. So almost 190 points I gave target. Two targets I gave 5500, 55,050. It prices closed at 55,000. Both the targets are met perfectly. Let's go for tomorrow's prediction. For August 11th, sell side. Okay. The pivot is 55 186, 55 187 is the pivot. Okay. So for the sell target, if the price cross and sustains below 54,990, because the price touched 54,900 and it has taken a little bit of reversal and closed above 55,000. So I would recommend to wait to fall 10 points more down and let the price close below 54,990, and so that you can keep a stop loss as 55,000, and then you can aim for the sell target 54,895. It is almost 100 points target I've given. Second target will be 54,860, and then you exit these targets once it is reached. Leave the 10 points, 54,860 and 54,850. Between this, leave the 10 points. Don't trade. Wait for the price again to close below 24,850. Then again you can re-enter sell position for targets 54,700 and 54,650. This is almost 150 points targets from this entry point. Okay. And for buy side, again the same thing. Okay. So price is now 55,000. Price can reverse up to 55,275. Possibility is there with respect to Fibonacci retracement. Let me put the Fibonacci retracement. If you see, the golden zone is almost 55,300, 55,297, 55,300 is almost the golden zone. Even if I take the 38% reversal, it is 55,200. So up to 55,275, Fibonacci retracement is there. So when the price is reversing, we never know till where it will reach and reverse. That is why it is required, cautiousness is required at buy side. Better avoid buy side for Monday above this range. Okay, in case you are already in buy position, then if it is reversing, if it is showing reversal, the first resistance will be at 5500. Okay, because this is the lower pivot range. Okay, and this between these points, uh, reversal can happen, and here okay, in case you are already in a buy position, better avoid buy side for Monday. Do not enter any fresh buy side above this range, 55,000 to 55,280. In case there is some compulsion that you want to do a buy position or price is reversing, then the first resistance will be at 55,120, the lower pivot, and then the pivot is 55,186 and 55,280. So between this range, you can plan to exit your buy side in case you are into existing buy position. Okay. Otherwise, you don't enter into buy side. Look for the entry of the sell targets and do the entry. Okay, aiming for sell target, because you see clearly we are in 30 minutes. 30 minutes see it has formed a higher high, but it has broken the lower reversal here. So the price is very inconsistent. So this means Monday and next week it can reverse from here and it can go flat in this range. So the price action to form, it is very, very hard. It has to break 55, 657 and go about to make any price action to be again to show a reversal. If you see here, the trend line, it is 55, 640. Here it has formed lower, lower high. So the minimum point to enter into buy side is about 55 to 260. That is why I gave this range 55 to 70. So the minimum safer buy is only above 55 to 75 without any risk. Okay, so I've shown the trend line also. So guys, this is the prediction for August 11th. So have a safe trade for Monday. See you guys. If on weekend, if there is any news, I'll post. Keep in touch. Our prediction points are very accurate because we do it in I gave the predicted prediction points based on many factors. I gave it based on the liquidity. I gave it based on the order blocks. I gave it based on drawing the trend line for support and resistance. So price actions, buy sell indicators. There are several factors which actually work in market. I'm following everything, and that is why I'm able to give the entry and exit for each target. And if you go through my previous video, exactly the points where I make ask you to enter the trade will be very, very accurate. Okay, probably my sell target, it may not reach 895, it may reach till 900. 5 points it can be different, but what is more important, where nobody is giving in other channel, is the entry point. Okay, so for example, I'm asking you to enter only below 54 900, 990, only below 54 990. I'm asking you to enter. So this is more important. This is very unique, what I'm telling, and I'm telling it based on a lot of factors. Okay, so keep in touch, guys. Have a safe trade. See you all on Monday. Thank you. Bye.